Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, and click on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Now let's get into it. Have you heard about the angle grinder template? This product typically has three basic functions. The first one is grinding, the second one is cutting, and the third one is polishing. In terms of cutting, they run at a high speed and facilitate cutting tasks with ease. If you are into general machinery, welding, automotive, precision engineering, transport machinery, energy, electrical, and others, and you don't know or have angle grinders templates as a finishing equipment for a perfect work, then I assure you, you are missing something very vital in your work because this product has so many uses and they give better precision in terms of grinding than stationary as they are handheld. Angle grinder templates can be used to remove paint, remove rust, cut ceramic tiles, remove mortar. They can also be used for stone cutting, cleaning metal, cutting metal, sharpening tools, carving wood, and planing wood. There are so many things you can use this machine to do. And I assure you, it's the best of its kind.